Thank you, Bill. Good morning, everyone. I am really honored to be with you as we look toward the future, our future, a future of environmental action. I'm privileged to be here with Secretary McElwain, Secretary Addicks, Secretary Kurtz, Mr. Esquivel. Privileged to be here with all of you. I want to particularly salute the Californians. You would have no reason to know this, but I started my academic career as a faculty member at the University of California, San Francisco, in the medical school. Spent seven actually, foundational years there. So I have a kinship with you, and nice to be with you Californians again. Look, colleagues, we are at an inflection point. Now, I know that's a hackneyed phrase. I have been saying it over and over as it relates to what you all do. I've stood up with my UMSES colleagues, many in this room, and said that very phrase to elected leaders and policymakers, environmental scientists, and educators and activists. And perhaps I'm even more intense and intent about it because I am a pediatrician. Your work is critical, and their children. That's what makes what you do even closer to my heart. And why would I be talking about inflection points that much? Unless we're serious, unless the entire university system of Maryland is serious about drawing a line in the sand and saying, now is the time to collaborate and try new approaches, new models to solve the problems we haven't yet solved. And who better to innovate those models than UMSES? Just in the last month, true story, I was talking about the uniqueness of UMSES as an institution. And someone said back to me, somebody in the room, Chancellor, no one else has an UMSES. That's right. No one else does. No one else has a research institution, a university in the system with a national and international portfolio, yet focused heavily on Maryland and on Maryland's crown jewel, the Chesapeake Bay. No one else has an independent institution whose statutory responsibilities are to provide sound scientific advice to the state's executive and legislative leaders and develop and apply predictive ecology to improve and preserve the environment. And I would say that UMSES has excelled in these statutory roles. It has been an effective catalyst for change with the state and with federal agencies, particularly related to bay restoration efforts and science-based environmental policy development. As far as education goes, UMSES has been a key partner in training the next generation of environmental leaders through one of our largest system-wide graduate programs, the program in marine estuarine environmental sciences. But we can do more. Particularly in education, we can do more. I've heard that again and again